And if you want your computer to look like this, like where you have a start button and you have a taskbar and everything, you can go to... Okay, so you're in for a little bit of a treat. My internet just went down, so I can't get to the internet. So I'm going to show you how you can tether without internet with an Android phone. So down here, you're going to have installed a company or an app called PDAnet. And so okay, yeah, it's recording. And you click this. Actually, I have to plug it in. Oh, there's me, John. I'm plugging my. I gotta plug my phone in. 1 second. Okay, so to tether on the app, you need the app PDAnet with Foxfi. It's Foxfi, and I'm gonna open Foxfi on my Android phone. And I'm gonna activate my USB, and then this little red thing down here with this red mark, it's gonna turn white once it connects. And when it connects, I should be able to have the internet. So you can use PDAnet for wireless tethering on any Android phone on any network, and you can save $15 or $20 a month for tethering charges on your particular network. So if like Verizon charges for tethering for like $15, you can get this app PDAnet, connect it with Foxfi, and you can save $15 a month. I do it because I have unlimited data and unlimited speeds and stuff with my phone company. So it's really fast, and you don't have all those bandwidth overages and stuff when you go over 3 and 4 gigs, because I watch videos constantly on my laptop. So did not turn white. So now it turned white, and I'm going to click it, and I'm going to choose connect to internet. Now there's something called high tether usage. This is necessary. I always use level 1, but some networks you need to use like level 2, and that'll actually hide the usage so the network doesn't know that you're tethering your phone using the internet on your phone. So that helps a lot, and sometimes if you don't connect this hide tether, then it'll bring you to like a page saying you have to pay for tethering charges on your service, like whatever service you use, Sprint or Verizon, Metro or whatever. So I'm going to click connect, and it's going to set up the connection and then give me a DNS. So it gave me a DNS, so it says I'm connected. So now I should have the internet. Let me give it a shot here. Okay, so here it is. So back to classic shit, or back to fixing Windows 8. If you go to windows8fix.thenewbold.com, you'll get an instant download, and you'll see it'll download it. It'll download the file. So you can do show folder, open the file, or you can do open the file, and you run it and install it. Once you install it, you'll have something that looks like this. Inside Windows, you'll have classic shell, and you open it, and in here you'll go to start button, enable the start button, and you can choose different buttons and customize it and stuff. and you go to Windows settings, skip Metro. I like to leave the corners. You can disable them if you want. Sometimes you get angry if you go over to the right here and like it opens up weird things. So you can customize the menu, and you can control. This is really cool. I mean, this is super cool. You can control actions with your windows. So you can say left click opens the start menu, opens Windows Start screen. If you never ever want to see the start screen, just check everything classic start menu, just classic start menu. You know, you can really customize it. You can play with it, and once you do that, you'll have a button. Boom, and you have your actual Windows 7 look inside Windows 8. So you can go back to the start screen. You can look like normal Windows 8, and then you can go over to your desktop here. I have a hard time scrolling. Go to desktop, and then boom, you have your start menu. You have your programs. You know, your programs menu where all your stuff is installed. You can pin things to your start menu just like you've always done in Windows 7. You have your My Computer icon. You have, you know, your explorers. Like you can look at all your, you know, pictures. You can explore things. You have your run command back. Everything is exactly how Windows 7 looks. You can even go to, you know, run the command prompt. I don't want TeamViewer. You can go to the command prompt and you can run commands. I mean, it's exactly like Windows 7, but the start button is a round shell. And if you really get twerky and you want to, you know, make a Windows button, you can make a Windows button and upload it. You can actually put a Windows button inside here, but I think you have to like make it like the right size and the right dimensions and stuff. But if you want to make Windows 8 look like Windows 7 and act like exactly like Windows 7, we're not talking just a little bit, it will be Windows 7. Just simply go here to windows8fix.thenewbold.com. You'll get an instant download. Download the file, install it, and you know, just hit me up on Facebook or in my YouTube channel, and or on thenewbold.com, and you can, you know, ask me questions if you need help or whatever, if you have anything that you don't understand. But it's pretty simple. The main thing you need to do is make sure you turn the, you know, the menu on. You know, enable the start button. Once you enable the start button, it's like it's Windows 7 basically, and you can control the actions inside the controls. You can do all kinds of other behaviors and search boxes and looks and skins, and I mean, there's just tons and tons and tons of options. So check it out. I'm glad I could help. Let me know. Leave a comment if you really like it and if it helps. If you need help, I'm Brian. Take it easy.